The ability to renovate a property is a basic skill that every investor needs to have. Whether you're purchasing at a deep discount and renovating that property or simply making repairs in between residents, it's a critical skill for every investor. Now, you don't need to become a general contractor, but what you do need is an understanding of what it takes to put a property together the right way. And if you can do one, you can do 10. If you can do 10, you can do 100. So join me as I renovate these 10 units, and in the spirit of see one, do one, teach one, I've seen one, I've done one, and now I want to teach one to as many people as I can reach. So I hope you find it helpful. Okay, this is Lem here, and I am here on day one of my construction site. We have 10 apartment units that we are about to bring to the market here in Memphis. And this is Monday, November the 27th. And this is day one of our demo day one of construction. And the first problem that I have encountered this morning is that my crew has arrived to find our dumpster situated here, not anywhere near the building that we're about to work on. So I am going to have to start day one of my construction day, instead of tossing trash into this container as I would have hoped, I am going to have to spend some time on the phone talking to Team Waste so that we can try to get this dumpster moved to a spot where it would be a little more convenient and productive for my guys. So I'm going to let you guys listen in on this. So here we go.
Thank you for calling Team Waste, where our game is picking up. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. For questions concerning residential services, scheduling a pickup, or other general information, please press 1. For pricing information, this call is being recorded. If you do not wish to be recorded, please disconnect at this time. Team Waste, how can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. This is Lemuel Oliver. I'm calling with Casa Bonita Apartments, and we have a dumpster that you guys have dropped off for us here today, and it is situated in the wrong spot. Is there any way we could get someone to come over and position this dumpster near the building where we're going to be working?
What's the address?
It is 4236 Overton Crossing Street is the office address here. Do you want the building address to where the work site is? It's all one apartment complex. And let's see if I can get the building number for you. That looks like building number 4218. They have situated the dumpster over in the corner of the property. We need to get it near the building where they're going to be working if we can, please.
Okay, I'll get that put in here.
Now, what kind of time frame are we looking at? I mean, I got some guys here. They're supposed to be working at 8, and it's 8:48, and they already into me for an hour of pay, and they can't even work. Well, I guess they can work, but man, this is really inefficient.
Okay, who is Nick? You know, Nikki Jones?
Nikki Jones is the apartment manager here. She's on vacation, and I am the owner of the property.
Okay, well, they have her on here as a contact person.
Okay.
So what's your telephone number?
My telephone number, my direct number, area code 901-229-5000.
And what's your name?
My name is Lem, Lem Oliver.
Okay, I'll have him to give you a call when he's on his way back.
Okay, now, like I say, what do you think this will be, before or after noon?
It should be before.
Before noon. Okay, great. That would be awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. So, okay. All right. So I don't know how much of that conversation you guys were able to listen in on. I tried to hold the phone as close to the mic as I could to capture that. But it sounds like maybe we can have this dumpster positioned in the correct position by noon. At least that's what she says. So that's great. So let's see. Looks like someone's pulling up here in a contractor's truck. Let's just see what's going on here. Okay. Let's see who we have here. This looks like it could be Dennis. Looks like this might be Dennis. Let's see what he's got going on. All right, nope, this ain't Dennis. I don't know who this is.
Let me clean the fence rough. Besides sell furniture, I cut trees, do landscape, and all that stuff.
You cut trees and do landscaping?
Yeah, I do all that stuff. I got my machine, I got my gun, clean all that, cut that stuff there back.
Now, what is your name?
I'm Sherrod. I'm Tonio's daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, Antonio. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm the one with the furniture
I don't
stuff.
know if I ever met you before.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
When you first got these apartments there, I think I talked to you about doing some remodeling and stuff.
Okay.
I do
Yeah.
tile work.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's Antonio right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we right now, money is tight.
Yeah, I already know. I'm reasonable though.
Money is tight everywhere, and especially here. And right now, we have made a commitment to try to complete these other 10 buildings right here. So we're gonna focus all our energy on that right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, that may be something we may look at maybe in the spring or maybe next fall, maybe or something. But right now, every ounce of energy and revenue and heart and soul and everything else we have, we just gonna put it into finishing these last 10 last 10 apartments. So, we like to keep the grass cut, but we're not gonna get carried away on the fence right now. It'll be all right.
Yeah.
It'll make it another, yes sir. Yeah. We'll definitely keep you in mind. Now, you don't have a card on y'all? Drop it off in here. I'll put it in the office for Nikki. Yeah. Yeah, man, they put the dumpster down here. We're gonna be working on the building down there. So I guess I don't know how they got in and did it without I don't know how they got in and did this before my man got here. Wasn't here when I came in this morning, and I don't know. I should have took the phone. I should have got the phone, man. But that's fine. I already called them. They said they're gonna have it moved by noon, so.
This was my furniture store cards, but
this'll work. Yeah, so I'll put it on the back here.
Okay.
And let Nikki know that we'll let her know you want to give her a price on things around here.
Okay then. All right.
Yeah,
That's what's up.
Yeah. So if you want to look around and give us a price on it, we can take that.
Yeah, that's what's up. I'll do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get that truck.
I'll tell you what you do. Just go ahead and put your price. When you get time, just put your price on there. Oh, you gonna do it today, or you gonna come back and do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and do it.
Okay. That's
Yes,
fine. Because I was gonna say, it'll be good to put your price on the card, write it on there.
Yeah.
That way she'll just have it. You can just do it that way instead of writing up anything fancy. You can just do it that way. She'll have it.
Okay.
Yep.
Either I can give her a proposal.
Yeah, that'll work too. That'll work.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciate that. Okay. Okay, so
I'm not real sure who this is, but I think this gentleman is one of my residents' fathers. Apparently I had met him before, I just didn't recognize him, I guess in his work clothes or get up. But either way, I guess we'll move a little further and see what Warren and his man are up to, see what kind of progress they're making on the demo. So let's go.